Yeah, hi guys. Quick video on ETH and Euro dollar, as it's now Sunday open. We're here now. If you go back to the first video, we started here on Saturday night, and now we're here. Our target is here, and we have buy limit orders here, and our first target would be this area above here. What's happened here is they've sold. The retail have seen this. No, they've seen this. The herd has seen this. They've jumped in. Okay, they got paid a little bit. Got paid a little bit more. They sold some more, but they weren't allowed in this move. So they got removed here as their stops are here. We're just talking about the sell side perspective for now. So they are now scrambling, changing their minds, thinking this is going down. So then what have they done? They've sold here, right, where we did, because we know it's coming here. In order for this next part of this move to happen, it has to come here. So, because these guys have to get burnt as well. So in order for this to continue, this part has to happen. So here would be a nice place to add a sell. We'll do that actually, and we'll just put a quick tight stop on it and target. See what happened here? Price has come almost to the line, but we know for sure our line is good. We've gone over this. It didn't miss, but it's going to have to come here anyway to take the next ones. It may even want to come here as well. It's a possibility if it really is going up for a while. If it doesn't, then it will just have to come back there later on. But for now, we're just doing what we see. So we're coming here, we're going to buy some more here, and we're going to try to get out here. That's the 5-minute perspective of Euro USD. I'll tell you a little bit more here. So they've sold. Okay, so all of that, they got stopped out here. They saw this, they sold some more. They've seen this, and they've sold, and they've seen it, and they've sold it more, even more. They're really convinced this thing is going down at this point. And now it comes here and prints another low. So they are really committed to this, okay, to the sell side. The retail are here, but they're not looking at the bigger picture that's led to this. Even if this high is the higher time frame that brings it down and takes out the low, this part here will still at least give us a move up to then take these guys out that have been short for too long, because like I said, everybody's getting burnt here. So we'll go to euro dollar, and euro dollar is quite interesting. It's on an hourly perspective. We have a little bit more time to play with here. We'll go back here. The herd have seen this high, and they've bought. They bought some more, and now their stops are there. They saw that, and now they're really convinced, so they've bought even more, and that has meant that it really had to come down here. I don't know if it's going to come here, but let's look at this level here too. They bought some more here on the pullback. Now it's come up. They're really convinced. They bought more. Their stops are below there. Now their stops are gone. They're removed, and now the explosion happens. My guess is this level will be protected, if that's what we want to, how we want to word it. I don't know if you want to word it that way, but perhaps it will be protected, or no interest. Well, let's try to call it that. No interest area, and we'll question mark it because we don't really know yet. Where did it go? Where's the writing gone? Minute. So we'll draw it in a magenta to remind us that everything on this chart is an illusion, and we must not marry any idea that we come up with. So we will remind ourselves that it's an illusion. Purple, Neptune, deceit, betrayal, illusion, etc. So we'll call it area of interest. May hold. Try to be diplomatic with this instead of calling it protected and defended levels and all that, because that's all an illusion also. Because the manipulation's been done here, and we can agree it has been done from what we just discussed. But again, we'll leave it in purple / magenta. Manipulation level. Facilitated. Successful. Because to my eyes, it's what it tells me. This has been a successful area of manipulation. So we'll come down here and we see the herd have sold. They've seen it here and they're convinced, or they sell some more on the pullback. They are convinced it's going down here, so they've sold some more, but they have not looked back to see that they're in this original area where the herd stops were. So the buys are now removed at this level with these wicks, but they are convinced it's going further. So they've now added, they've got out of this, their original correct buys, they've added to their sells. So they've, in theory, is double up of their sells while there's nobody left holding the longs. So on that note, I will buy some more. And I'm quite happy to do that. But we're going to have to remember we need to wait, because the ETH needs to do its bit. And probably some other currencies need to do their bit to come here. So, if this comes here, we'll just expect the euro to kind of sideways / because I think this has been done, right? And maybe it wants to take another one out. It could do. It could do. They're sneaky like that. The sun is sneaky like that. Let's try to read this. The herd have seen the low. They've sold this. Their stops are here and here. They have not been able to add more here. Let's say this was on the buy side. They see this. They buy some more. They've not been taken out yet on the buy side. So I think they're going to want to get them as well. So we'll put a buy order down there. Okay, buy limit. Just in case. And we'll put our stops, like, I don't know, somewhere in here. And we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's what I believe is going on. right now. I think the retail overly net short, and we're about to pop up again tomorrow. Uh, yeah, but cheers. Thanks a lot.